What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to delete pages from a PDF document using the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your PDF document in your Acrobat Reader application. On the right hand side, make sure to select the Organize Pages option. In case you are unable to find this menu, then make sure that it's not minimized by clicking on this arrow icon. Under Tools, you can also get to the Organize Pages option. A thumbnail view of all of the pages within the PDF document will be visible to you here. You can then proceed to delete a page by clicking on the trash icon next to the page when hovering your cursor over it. Get back to your normal view when clicking on Close in your Organize Pages taskbar. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.